Hey y'all, you are not gonna believe what I managed to install in my room all by myself. My very own home Benton 52-inch Hugger flush mount ceiling fan. It comes with a light kit, but you now have the option to install that fan without the light kit. One of my favorite things about the ceiling fan is that it's got a reversible motor for winter months, as you can see. I made sure to arrange the pull chain extensions to their correct controller. And the first time I tested the ceiling fan, it was wired wrong. And now, this light switch now becomes the fan switch. In case you're wondering what this does, it's actually a light kit pull chain. Watch. And at this point, you'll be thinking that this is the fastest speed it could go, because you're feeling some air out of it. You now see the labels of the pull chain. Just flip it back off. This is actually low speed. I run the ceiling fan on low every time I do some work, including homework or something like that. That way I can still get some comfort breeze from the ceiling fan. And another reason why I prefer ceiling fans or something like ceiling fans like this is because air conditioners cannot move as much air as a ceiling fan. So as long as your ceiling fan is running with or without the air conditioner, that means you can still get a nice cool breeze. Even if the air conditioner shuts off, you still get airflow. Nice airflow on low. I was so excited to have a ceiling fan. In fact, I've always wanted a ceiling fan in my room for a very long time. It's got reversible blades to match your desired decor. And it comes in 4 different finishes as well. For example, white. I have for example, a white ceiling fan like this one. Right now I have a black ceiling fan. Now I'll crank this baby up to medium. Moves a lot more air on medium. So you may be thinking that this is a straight cool ceiling fan, but whenever I have the time, I'll make a video on how to use your ceiling fan in winter. Let me know in the comments if I should do that. great amount of airflow. What a nice cool breeze. I prefer ceiling fans anyways. I don't care if it's a 4-blade, 3-blade, or 5-blade, or 6-blade. I most likely prefer ceiling fans anyways. It's perfectly safe to run your ceiling fan overnight for white noise. Let me tell you something. Ceiling fans are default to commercial properties. But when I installed this ceiling fan, it turns out that you have the ability to install your own ceiling fan in your own home.